Welcome to Park Time, where we witness the bitter endings for drivers who take up 2 spots or block public access like they own the place. Today's lesson is simple. Those painted lines exist for a reason. Follow them unless you want your car turning into the unwilling star of someone's creatively fueled frustration, all caught on camera. Blocking a fire truck, the kind of move that grabs attention and sparks instant debate. Park in front of a hydrant and the consequences arrive fast. Block the rail line and the consequences are immediate and obvious. Wheel clamped for parking wrong. Karma wasted no time. A wrong parking move that quickly turned into full-blown chaos. Open the door without checking the mirror, and a passerby became the unexpected main character. Parked too close to the edge and ended up unable to open the door yourself. The car rolled gently downhill while the owner sprinted after it like emergency cardio. One sharp turn in the tight lot, and the car next to it paid the price. He reversed too far, and the wall proved it doesn't step aside.
Look at how this pussy parked.
Stopped in the middle of the lane and looked around like he couldn't understand the honking.
There you go. Congratulations, escalate.
1 second of distraction and the car added a brand new dent. He thought the spacing was perfect, but the clunk said otherwise. A late-night chain collision left 3 parked cars wondering what just happened. Parked boldly in the middle of the road, only to return minutes later with a very different expression. A roaring sports car, but one wrong move turns it into instant comedy.
We got it.
Tried squeezing into a spot smaller than the car, and the front bumper answered back. Hit the gas in a tight lot, and the car in front took the hit. Blocked the gate, and when someone needed to leave urgently, the whole neighborhood had to hunt for the owner. He reversed on a slope without the handbrake, and seconds later, everything started moving. A sharp turn in a tight corner left the car awkwardly angled. A mistaken press of the gas sent the car onto the sidewalk. A parallel parking attempt that lasted longer than the short film behind it. A parallel parking attempt that lasted longer than the short film behind it. tried rock crawling in a parking lot and the entire crowd got a free show. He kept reversing in a tight space, and every adjustment came with another side. The car parked exactly where it shouldn't, and the camera missed nothing. A parking move so bold that others had to dodge instead. The barrier came down right as he chose to rush through. A U-turn in heavy traffic, and the consequences arrived faster than expected. The car rolled away as if the handbrake had never existed. He tried leaving a tight spot, and the neighboring car was just a little too close. It looked neatly parked until the door opened and reality disagreed. One heavy press on the gas and the entire parking lot turned to look. One careless reverse and the pole behind became the evidence.
I'm gonna run y'all through.
The car
real
shot
quick
out of its
fast
spot
up
like
here.
it signed up for a
Had to
race
bust out
no
the
one
Dodge again
announced.
'cause I had to die, so you probably won't see me unload real quick, but just show 'em.
Blocked the exit, and when someone needed to leave, the owner was nowhere to be found. He squeezed through a narrow gap and ended with a very real impact sound. Blocked the rail line, and the train arrived right on time as a reminder. Parked in front of a hydrant, and the consequences showed up faster than an apology. The car tilted heavily to one side from a slightly overdone maneuver. Road rage hit maximum level until he met someone who refused to be pushed around. He tried fixing it by reversing again, and things only got worse. He was aggressive in the street until the other driver stepped out, and the mood shifted instantly. He tried to start something for show, but met someone who wasn't backing down. He was still heated when the situation flipped 180 degrees faster than a steering turn. He thought he had the upper hand. Seconds later, he just wanted to quietly back away. He stepped out with confidence, but lost it the moment the other person responded. The shouting was loud until he realized he was facing someone not easily intimidated. Street racing right in front of a cop, and the ending came quicker than the engine roar. He got heated for a few seconds, then realized he picked the wrong person to test. He picked a fight with a biker and needed only a moment to realize he wasn't in control. He stepped out to intimidate, then ended up dealing with the consequences. He revved up in heavy traffic and got a very unfriendly look in return. He chose the wrong person to show attitude to, and things spiraled within seconds. He got careless on the road, and the car proved that anger solves nothing. The situation escalated quickly until reality hit even faster. Watching these moments was seriously satisfying, wasn't it? Never bring selfish energy onto the road. You never know how creative someone might get when it comes to teaching a lesson. Which final move had you laughing the hardest? Drop your pick in the comments and follow Park Time for more unforgettable, over-the-top moments.